Morning, ma'am. My name is Shantanu Pandit. I present today a topic. My topic name is Comparative Analysis of Statistical Pure Tools, Microsoft Excel, SPV, JSP. Introduction. The need for statistics. Essential for research, business intelligence, and strategic sciences. First barrier, proper proprietary software type duty for assets can be prohibitively tricky. Third point, the open source tools provide transparent, community driven, and free alternatives that the business will be design. Next one is external, the digital starting Microsoft. First one, born, general purpose, project solution. Content strength, low barrier, country, industrial, difficult benefit. Excellent for data cleaning, pivotal and basic distributed steps. Third one, weakness is first thing, lacks advanced multivariate analysis, mental factor analysis. Second one, not built for reproduction season, workflows that makes hard to practice. Third one is statistical accuracy issues in order. The next point is PSPB, the open source spaces available. Option one, a free replacement for IBM experience. Those key features are first, familiar interface. This data will be just like spaces. And interoperability. This can read and write spaces and save files. Third one is power. Handles massive data set with millions of seconds. Next one, best for person, scientists, and those who want to see version of the industry standard. Next one is JSP, that is modern and user-centric energy. First one is role, friendly and flexible. Statistical. Next one is key feature. First one is dynamic output. Results update, results update instantly as we select variables. Second one is publication ready. That automatically generates table in APA format. Third one is Bayesian statistics. These offer these are offer modern Bayesian alternatives to traditional sets. Next is best for best for researcher. You also model drag and drop thread without centric coding. Next new point is where to use which tools. First one, you tell if you are doing quick calculations, budget tracking, or basic data entry. Next is use PSB if if you are working on large scale social science surveys and need a special style to be solved. Next one is with JSP if you are writing a thesis or paper and need fast, beautiful, and statistically results. Next one is features comparison metric. Features point A, point R, feature Microsoft Excel, SPP, and JSP. In this point, primary focus, business general, SPSS loans, NPSPV, EJSP, academic research. Difficulty, difficulty in Microsoft Excel, very easy. Difficulty in PSPT, moderate. Difficulty in JSP, very easy. 15. 15 in Microsoft Excel, that is a VBA or macro. 15 in PSPB is a FPSS syntax. 15 in JSP or via plugins. Next is the graphics. Graphics in Microsoft Excel, it is business charts. Graphics in PSPB, basic programming. Graphics in JSP, high quality API flows. Bison stats. Bison stats Microsoft Excel is low. Bison stats PSSS have low. Bison stats JSP have yeah, full support. It's supported fully. Next point is data integrity and reproducibility. That first point, the audit trail. It unlike Excel, it is unlike Excel, where a manual click can change the cell without perform. ESP and ESP maintain a clear block of action. Next one is syntax and file. ESPV uses SPSS syntax file, allowing researchers to know the exact same analysis a year later. Next is JSP. It saves the data, analysis settings, and results in one file, example JSP, making it easy to share with collaborators. Next one is open science. Both tools support argument for transparent data analysis where others can verify what results. Next point is advanced statistical capability. Capability. That first, beyond the basics. First one is CSPP. It offers three tests, ANOVA, linear regression, non-parametric test, and vector analysis. BSP includes specialized models for network analysis, meta-analysis, and machine learning. That means regression, classification, and clustering. Next one is comparison to Excel. While Excel requires complex analysis toolpath, add in for basic regression. CSPP and GSP offer this natively much higher precision value accuracy. The value is P. Dollar P, dollar S. Dollar S, P, dollar. value account. Next one is installation and accessibility. Cross-platform for Excel. It requires a paired Microsoft 365 system. Next one is PSPP and USB. It's completely free to download on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Next one is system requirements. First one is PSPP. It is extremely lightweight and runs well on older hardware. Second one is JSP. It is more resource intensive due to its rich graphical interface but offers a web-based Kubernetes JSP cloud. Next one is community support. It both have extensive online documentation and user forums for troubleshooting. Next point is data visualization and graphical output. First is visual impact. First one, Microsoft Excel. It offers highly customizable, business-ready charts, but requires significant manual checking for scientific standards. PSPV, second one. It produces functional, basic charts, histograms, scatter plots, like designed for data verification rather than statistic well. Third one is JSP. It features drag and drop, visualization, text publication, quality plots, sequence, box plot, correlation, plots, QQ plots automatically. Then next is editing capability. JSP allows users to edit plot levels and scale directly for the higher resolution format like PNG, PDF, or .svg for academic development. Real-time advantages. Next point is in JSP, as you filter your data, the graphs update instantly, providing immediate visual results on your analysis. Next point is conclusion. First one, tool versatility. No single software fits every scenario. Choice depends on the compatibility, complexity of the data and the required open source software like CSV has matured to a point where it can successfully replace expensive property licenses. Next one, cost effectiveness. That is open source tools like PSPP and JSP eliminate the financial barriers to high level research, democratizing data science. Next one is the future of data literacy. Means mastering open source tools ensures that your skills remain implemented or of corporate licenses, allowing for greater flexibility across academic and professional careers. Next one is final recommendation. Start with Excel for data cleaning, then move to JSP for visualization and PHP for heavy duty data set cleansing. Thank you.